Welcome to 4619 Evansdale Road in the heart of Dale City, Woodbridge, Virginia. Join us as we point out a few features of this beautiful split-level home. A few steps from your front door is your living room with fresh paint, hardwood flooring, a bay window, and a ceiling fan. The upper level includes 3 bedrooms, new carpet, fresh paint, and a recently updated full bathroom. The kitchen has oak cabinets, a new stove hood, a newer dishwasher and refrigerator, and a fabulous window looking out to your backyard. Just a step away from your kitchen is your dining room with fresh paint, brand new carpet. Across from the dining area is your recreation room with brand new carpet, fresh paint, and a wood-burning brick fireplace. Now, I don't want you to miss the second full bathroom that has been recently renovated. The new owner will love the outdoor space at this home. A brick patio, a shed, a garden, and plenty of room to entertain and play. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.